Check out this 2004 Mazda B-Series 2WD truck. Comfortable, great gas mileage, great in the rain with a clean and functional interior. Can you say loaded? This pristine vehicle has every single option I can think of, and it is in awesome condition. No car on the road demands as much respect as this Mazda B-Series 2WD truck. Great styling, smooth ride, lots of standard safety features and a solid car. Please call us for more information. The special internet price is $12,300. Contact the dealership today.